Okay, children. Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 5.1. Children, this is the chapter quadratic equation. Already I introduced that chapter in the previous classes. Quadratic equation. So quadratic equation. What is the meaning of quadratic equation? How can you define it? Means the degree of an equation is 2. X square plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. So what is the degree of equation? What is the highest power here? 2 is highest. There is no power x, that is 1. Out of 1 and 2, what is the highest? 2. So degree 2 then is called as quadratic equation. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss some exercise 5.1. Children, the page number 106. 1 by 106. First one. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. The first one. First Roman x plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into 2 into x minus 3. 2 into x minus 3. Children, so what is that? Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So first we can simplify that, then we can see the degree, then degree will be decide that is quadratic or not. Okay, so first simplify the given expression. This equation x plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square, apply that. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Children, here a is equal to x, b is equal to 1. A square means x square plus 2 into a means x, b means 1 plus b square means 1 square is equal to 2 into bracket means into 2 into x, 2x minus is there. 2 3s are 6. Okay, again simplify. X square plus 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 1, 2x. Okay, otherwise 2 ones are 2, 2 into x, 2x. Plus 1 square means 1. That is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, the RHS, all numbers is transforming to RHS. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 2x transforming to LHS to get minus 2x minus 6 transforming to LHS plus 6. So plus 2x and minus 2x both are opposite numbers, same quantity. X square plus 1 plus 6. What is that? Plus 1 plus 6 plus 7. See the children, what is the degree here? Degree of equation. What is the degree of this equation? 2. So it is called as, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Children, like that we will see some sums. The second one, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x, minus 2 into 3 minus x. Okay, next, x square minus 2x, no need to simplify, all it is will be simplified. Minus into, what is the symbol of plus 3? 3 plus. Okay, what is the symbol of 3? In front of 3 there is no symbol, means that is plus. So minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. Again minus into minus plus 2 into x, 2x. So the RHS values will be transforming to LHS now. So x square minus 2x minus 6 will be plus 6 plus 2x will be minus 2x is equal to 0. There is no number, I just 0. Now see the children, x square. What is the value of minus 2x minus 2x? Both are same symbol means we can add. 2 plus 2, 4. So both are negative now, minus 4x plus 6. Now what is the degree? So degree 2, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay children? So first one is quadratic equation we have. The second one also quadratic equation. Next one. Third one. X minus 2 into x plus 1. Third one. X minus 2 into x plus 1. X minus is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay children? So now find the product. So take first term, product of algebraic expression we know already. Take first term and take the second expression x plus 1. Next is minus 2 into x plus 1. Like this product, find the product. Okay? Next, first term, entire expression x plus 3, and the second term with, along with the symbol, entire expression x plus 3. Okay, now multiply them. X into x, x square, plus x into 1, 1x means x, minus into plus, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2. Okay children, now RHS. X into x, x square. So plus into plus, plus x into 3, 3x, minus into plus, minus 1 into x, 1x means nothing but x, minus into plus, minus 1 3s are 3. Now simplify the children. X square plus 1x minus 2x. 1 plus 1 minus, subtract 1 from 2, again 1x, which is the bigger 2. So 2 having negative, negative, minus 1x. So minus 2. This one also. Okay? X square plus 3 minus 1. Same terms, same degree. That's why we can reducing. Otherwise, don't subtract x square and 3x. Okay? Same like this. That called as like terms. Plus 3x minus 1x. 2x. Subtract 1 from 3. 2, which is the bigger 3 having plus. So plus 2x. So minus. Now all values transform into LHS. X square minus 1x minus 2 plus x square means minus x square plus 2x minus 2x minus 3 transform to LHS plus 3. Still children, plus x square minus x square. Same but opposite symbols. So cancel. Minus 1x minus 2x. Both having negative. So we can add. We can add 1 plus 2, 3. 3x. So negative symbol minus. Minus 2 plus 3. Opposite. Subtract. Subtract 2 from 3. 1. Which is the bigger 3. 3 having plus 1. So what is the degree of equation? 1. It is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic. It is linear. Quadratic equation. Like that. All will not sufficient. So I will say next one. See the children, sixth one. 6. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So this is no need to simplify with RHS a minus b whole square. So apply the identity a minus b whole square x square a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply it. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a minus b whole square. Means a x square, okay, minus 2, a means x, b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. Okay children, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 2 2s are number and number multiply 4x plus 2 2s are 4. Okay children, next transforming all terms in RHS to LHS. X square plus 3x plus 1 plus x square to LHS minus x square minus 4x LHS plus 4x plus 4 to LHS minus opposite plus x square minus x square, both having same quantities, so opposite. Next plus 3x plus 4x, both having same positive number, add 3 plus 4 7x plus 1 no minus 4, so opposite. 1 plus 1 negative, subtract 1 from 4, you get 3. So what is the bigger? 4 having negative symbol, you can this one. So now what is the degree? Degree is 1, so it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay children, so remaining you will try. Next, second one. Second sum. Okay, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. The first one, see the children, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The area of rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. Okay, represent these following situations in the form of quadratic equation. No need to solve, we can represent in equation form. Okay, so the area is given, one rectangular plot is there, the plot area is 528 meters square, and the relation between the length and breadth is given in meters. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, so first the take breadth, right? Because the length is 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay, so take breadth first. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot, let the breadth of rectangular plot is the x meters. This is x meters. Now what is the length of the rectangular plot is 1 more than, more means we can add plus, 1 more than means plus 1, twice means 2 into breadth, twice the breadth, 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay, 1 more than means we can add, 1 less than means we can subtract, twice means 2x, thrice means 3x, double means also 2x. Okay, twice the breadth means x na taking about. Okay, now area is given, area. So area of a rectangle, what is the formula of area of rectangle? Here area of rectangular plot is given na, rectangular plot is equal to 528. See the children, rectangular plot means rectangle shape. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to 528 meters square already given. So 528 meters square. Okay. Here what is the length here? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into breadth x is equal to 528. Okay children. So now multiply 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x plus 1x, that is equal to x, is equal to 528. Okay, write the general form. 528 transform के LHS 2x square plus x minus 528 plus 528 comes to this side means 5 minus 5. So this is the required quadratic equation of the above situation, that is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Next, second round. Second round. See the children, the product of two consecutive positive integers. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Given that the product of two consecutive positive integers, is equal to 306. Children, so consecutive integers means, for example, 3. What is the consecutive number of 3? 4. So 3 you are taking x means 4. How can you get x plus 1? Okay. 5. What is the consecutive of 5? 6. Next to 6 is consecutive 7. Here taking let the two positive consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. If one is x, the next one is x plus 1. Okay? Consecutive means their difference is 1. See the children, the product is given. What is the product of the consecutive integers? 306. So product means into 2. The first one x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Product. X into x square plus x into 1 x is equal to 306. X square plus x plus 306 transform into LHS will become minus 306 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation, the children. Okay, this is the quadratic equation for the above situation. Okay, next, third Roman. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's percentage. Okay, take Rohan's percentage. Let the present age of Rohan be X years. Okay, the present age of his mother, his means Rohan, is equal to, what's the relation? 26 older, 26 years more than, means x plus 26. X plus 26. After 3 years, like it is given now. After 3 years, Rohan says present x. After 3 years, x plus 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's mother is x plus 26 plus 3, that is equal to x plus 29 years. So by the statement, by the problem, means after 3 years product of their ages. After 3 years product means into. After 3 years, what is the Rohan? X plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. After 3 years product of their ages 360. Children, after 3 years Rohan says x plus 3. After 3 years Rohan's mother is x plus 29. Now find the product. Take first term and x plus 29. Second term x plus 29. Children, is equal to 360. X into x, x square, plus x into 29, 29x, plus x, 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 29, 329s are, okay, 50, 87, okay, 87, 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 is 6 plus 2, 8, 87 is equal to 360. Okay, children, x square plus 29x plus 3x, 32x plus 87, 360 transform the LHS minus 360, that is equal to 0. Okay, now x square plus 32x, now subtract 87 plus from 360. Why? Because 1 plus 1 minus, subtract 87 from 360, 87 minus, this is 10, this is 5, 10 minus 7 3, again take borrow 2, okay, 15 minus 8 7 2, that is 273. So 360 is the bigger number. So what is the symbol of bigger number? Minus 273. X square plus 32x minus 273. This is the required quadratic equation for the above situation. Okay.